Using indirect expense module, you can add indirect expenses. Select the expense date, expense item, amount, then add another item, and press submit. Now the indirect expense item is added. Using miscellaneous module, you can add owner drawing details. Select the date here, amount. Your detail is added. Now we move on to the sales module. First we will see how to map the item and its sales subcategory. Select the item here. Then add another item. Then its sales subcategory. Likewise, you can add any number of items. Now we are adding a group of items under mushroom recipe sales subcategory. Then press submit button. We can feed the sales details using entry, fast bill and touch bill screens. Now we will see an example how to feed the sales details in entry screen. Today's date is automatically displayed here. You have to specify the discount here. You have to specify the table number here. If there are 4 sittings in a table, number 1, then you can specify a particular customer as 1A, 1B, 1C and 1D. You can select the waiter name here. Settlement. Now you can see the bill generated for the customer. If you press this print button, then you will get a hard copy of the bill. Now we will move to touch bill. This screen is used to add the sales details using touch screen functionality. You can speed up your billing process using touch screen functionality. This touch screen functionality for the sales details can be separately installed in many terminals connected to the main server through LAN network. Now we will see an example how to use the touch screen functionality for sales details. Select the sales item here. Select the subcategory here. Specify a number of items. Now you can see the amount, the number of items and the total here. You can add any number of items likewise. You can see the grand total here. Select the waiter. Now you can see the bill generated for this particular customer. You can also delete this bill using this delete button. You can add the sales details using this fast bill entry screen. Today's date is automatically selected here. Specify the discount, the table number, select the waiter, settlement mode. Here you have to specify the fast bill code. The fast bill code is used instead of item name. The fast bill code of idli is mentioned as 1. The fast bill code of dosa is mentioned as 2. The fast bill code of pongal is mentioned as 8. Now you can see the bill generated for this customer. For those users who are not familiar with touchscreen and wants to speed up the billing process can use this fast bill code functionality. This functionality will be similar to POS machines operations. In employee module, you can feed the monthly salary details, daily salary details, salary advance details and employee leave details. Monthly salary is calculated automatically. A salary advance amount and employee leaves are automatically detected and reduced from the monthly salary. Now let us move into reports module. In this module, we can get various reports that are useful to analyze and enhance the business. Our software automatically generates daily report and monthly report. Now let's move on to daily report. Here you can see the purchase amount, sales amount, expense amount, owner drawing, daily salary, monthly salary and discounts, and finally a total will be generated. Now let us see the consolidated report. Consolidated report will produce a complete history of sales details. Now let us see the sale item report. Sale item report will produce a report on what are all the items sold on this particular day. Now let us see the hourly report. Hourly report will produce a report on each hour what items are sold. Now let us see the waiter report. Waiter report will produce a report on number of services done by the particular waiter. Then no sale item report. No sale item report will produce a report on what are all the items that are not sold on this particular day. Now let us see the monthly report. You have to select the month to get the report. Press submit button. Now you can see the complete report for this month.